Te tokanga nui ānoho, e whakaaro nei I ngā tūmanako o ngā rangatahi Māori o Te Kūiti nei.
The hope is that when they look at your fellow's mural, that it will give them the kaha, it will give them the strength.
For me, in my years living here, I feel as if Te Kūiti don't get as much opportunities as the big smokes. And I think it's so cool seeing someone, as I'm a rangatahi, come and show us that, yeah, rangatahi are the leaders of tomorrow.
It means as seeing a famous artist, nationwide, worldwide, to just show up in a small town of Te Kūiti to help us as rangatira.
Ko te tuku I te rangatahi kia kōrero I wōna karearoto, te tino aronga o te kaupapa nei o Tūmanako, ko tōna kairaranga, ko te toi.
We wanted to use, my influence and my experience in te ao toi, in the arts, using that because I understand how powerful visual arts can be in terms of communicating messages.
I ara ke te kaupapa o Tūmanako I tā Mr. G takahi I te ara tā pokopoko o whakamomori I ngā tau ki muri nei, me tana hia kia kaua te rangatahi e rongo I te ngau o te rā mate.
But it was actually in that place, where I discovered the true power and beauty of tēnei mea ko te Tūmanako in terms of healing our brokenness of the past, but also inspiring us to dream for our future again.
Ko tā wēnei rangatahi ko te toi te kauwaka e puta I ngā karearoto, te tāia e te ārero, te whakamaori.
Sometimes when I have something to say and when I'm actually trying to speak it, I don't know how to say it and they'll just say, oh, that's just the hoary Mary, she don't know what she's talking about. But when I put those feelings into like an art, it takes people's breath away and I just want other people to know that they can do that.
Like calms me down and it gets all of the information in my head for that day into that paper so I can know for next time too. Like every other art that I do, I'll know which one's for me.
When I come back on the second trip, you fellas will be having a blast on these.
I whai wā ngā rangatahi ki te whakamātautau I te peitarehu, ki ari te ai rātau ki te tā I wō rātau Tūmanako, ki tētahi pakitara nui ki Te Kūiti, a te rā marama.
Because murals, they have a power to communicate a message permanently 24/7. Yeah, and so this is all about harnessing that power and doing it with the rangatahi and asking them what is hope to you. Honouring their voice, honouring their whakaaro.
I wō Mr. G karore hāretanga I te motu, kua mārama katoa ki aia te hirahira me te whai take o te kaupapa nei.
I think the main thing for me in terms of gauging, the effect of this kaupapa on the rangatahi was purely just through their kōrero. Me hearing it while I'm painting, not directly staring at them, but just hearing their conversations behind me. Some of them saying, oh man, if we weren't doing this, we'd be somewhere else, doing something not so good, sort of thing. And it's just exposing them to other options in life, other future directions.
E whakamana nai te rangatahi, kia tau ai te tū, ki te ao.
Tahi, rua, toru!
Wikitōria Day, mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo